And welcome to the garden. So I wanted to talk to you about the sunflowers over here. So what we've been doing is been kind of taking plastic bags from the store, and what we're doing is I put the bag over top of the sunflower, and then I cut holes in the bottom so that they can still dry, they don't get moist, and so that we can save the seeds. Otherwise, we just I kind of let them go for the lovebirds. And I'm going to show you that we have a beautiful lovebird up on there, and you see him there in the very center. See him right up there? He's on top of there eating. So I'm going to try to get as close as we can. But yeah, so he's just having a feast on there. And these birds, they're like little pigeons, or not pigeons, but what do you call them? Parakeets. But they're lovebirds. Don't chase them away, Ouray. We're going to watch them for a little while. Let's see him up there on the right. Yeah, he's not gonna like Ouray getting too close to it. But how cool is that? So yeah, those are the lovebirds that come around. So we're gonna kind of go around here. I'm going around the swimming pool. We have a pool here, so I'm gonna try to go around this side of it and see if we can get another good view of the lovebird. But like I said, what I do is I just take plastic bags from like Fry's or Sprouts, and as you can see there, I've got a couple big ones already covered up right in the center there. I've already got those covered up, and then there's a few more over on the oh, look at this. Oh, check this out, we got a couple more. Ooh, there's another lovebird right there on the roof. Oh, he just flew over. There he is. Oh no, they took off. Oh, Ouray scared them away. Ouray, you scared the lovebirds away. Ha. Ouray. Hey. What are you doing? Oh, look. Oh, so they're in the trees above me here. They'll go back once Ouray kind of chased them away. That's all right. They're over here to the right in our trees. So we're gonna walk over here. I hear one. We're gonna walk over here. Oh, there they go. There goes one. Let's see if I can't get a better view for you. So they're up there in the trees, somewhere up in there. So we're gonna look here so we can get you guys a better view. Yeah, Ouray scared them all off. So they're like, okay, we're not dealing with no dog, but I have a feeling they might come back. So here we are. So like I was saying earlier, I just took the sunflower. Oh, here they come. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We are so close, guys. You have no idea. Look. Look at that. I am like right at the sunflower. See him there? And Ouray is like right below the freaking sunflower. That is so funny. Oh, there's a couple. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're so cute. Hey guys. Oh no. Ouray's scaring them away. That's all right. But that is so cool that we're this close. Oh, they're still here. Oh, they just took off. There's about 5 of them. That is so cool. I'm glad we got to catch this morning and that you got to be here to see this as well. And then we have some more over here. Hope the neighbors don't mind. But yeah, so here's some of the other ones that I've already got bagged up. And we put little slits in the bottom of them here so that, they can air dry and the lovebirds won't eat them. This is a really big one in here. So we got probably about 25 of them here. So I'm not going to save all of them, but we're going to try to save a few of them here. There we go. Well, hey, that was kind of interesting to be able to catch the lovebirds out here. But for now, we're going to head on out here. But I'm glad we got to see the lovebirds. And so this is kind of how we're saving the seeds. So what we'll do is we'll just let the sunflowers dry out in there. And then after, I'm going to say maybe a week or so, I will cut them off, take them inside and let them dry out even more. And then we'll shell them out and we'll save them so we'll have them for next year. And so that you could also go to lovebirds.com. And if you want to purchase a few of these sunflower seeds, I sell them in packs. Or if you're local, I don't have a problem trading some other seeds for something else. But again, thanks for following, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, so we're back out here again at the sunflowers, and the lovebirds are here. So we're gonna see if we can't. Wonder why it's not allowing me to get very close to them. But he's so cute. Look at him. Oh. He's just eating away. Saying, thanks, Mr. Lavier, for the sunflowers. He's just hogging down. Oh, there goes Ouray. Oh, there's 2 over there. Oh, there he is on the wall. Ouray. Ouray scared him again. Ouray. You're a good boy. Ouray, don't eat my red beets. Love you. Alright, we'll come back again. Oh, they're still here. They're up in the trees. I think Ouray just spooked me here, making noises. Oh, they just took off.
Be sure to give this video a like if you want to see more like it. Subscribe to keep up with the garden. Comment down below if you have any questions or requests. You can find all the ways to connect in the description box, including lovebirds.com, where you can buy seeds or view blog posts, and at Lavier's Urban Garden on Facebook, which is where new content is previewed. Until next time, happy gardening!